My name is Jules Ramos. I am the chef at Chapel Grille Restaurant. And today on Small Bites, I'm going to be doing some mini duck tacos. We do the base for the salsa. Quite often they will hydrate the dried chilies, but I think in this recipe we can add it straight in the pan, let it hydrate and simmer in the pan, and then everything goes into a blender, saves a step. And also the flavor is more intense because you're not diluting it into the water as well. So one of the intimidations with duck is that people have the difficulty cooking it. And one of the better tips is to obviously trim all of the silver skin. And I also like to score the duck breast. You want to do small scores, crisscross. That helps to render out the fat and also keeps the duck breast from shrinking on itself. So you can get a nice, evenly crispy skin on it. And I also like to season the skin side with just a little bit of salt, and then the flesh side with salt and pepper, because the salt you won't burn the pepper, and it gives it a much better flavor. I like to start my duck breast on a dry pan. You don't need any oil because there's enough fat that's going to be coming out of the skin. You start with very low heat, and then flipping the breast over once you get a nice golden brown, and then you can just baste it. Baste the skin as you go to keep it crispy. So I use flour tortillas, and with a pair of tongs, you can just sort of like toast them over the heat. Yeah, it makes them more pliable and adds a nice toasty flavor, but you have to be careful, use a pair of tongs and just kind of wave them on both sides on top of the heat.